Today we'll talk about how can you select account type on your account app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then you come to next appear on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next appear. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile settings. Then come to next CP, just switching to open video here. So it's going to take a time. When it's going to open video like this, you just go down here. You come here to account type, click here. So then here can you select, when you just click in this sign here, it's going to show for you here to select if you want to add it here. If you want to type of your account here or account type you want to add on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.